sikukuu.
Jaratije maduong' mar Kenya Airports Authority KAA Henry Ogoe wacho ni oseket ikruok makare alap ndeke ma JKIA neno ni tieko chutho wach malal mar teko stima magikone to rocho chenro mag wuoth. Owacho ni generator ma itiyo godo seche ma stima olal osechak losi mondo mi sa asaya ma stima olal to chako ti aroya mondo mi kik dhano bede mudho. Kano olose boma ma Kisumu, jatelo no medo lero bende ni ka chano bero pau kata mana ni duol no chano bero pau ndeke ma licho ta kod kabunde mayudre Migori gi Homa Bay counties.
The time it takes for the backup power to come on board. That is the only concern. We have the capacity. We are looking at ways and means of automating it fully so that it kicks in at the required time. And work is going on even today, tomorrow, and the days after. And we'll deal with it to finality. For the other facilities, power is kicking off as and when required in the event that we have a national outage. We have, even JKIA, let me tell you, JKIA, the backup system is more than what is required because the backup system is 13 megawatts and whatever is required is below 5 megawatts. So let you not be cheated. Yes, it is just a question of doing what? It is just a question of ensuring that we automate it well so that it kicks in within the required time.
Alap mande kimaduong